स्पीकरान सांगला की he will make sure that whatever was done will be on the first day. He is going to make a mention. This is what we have been assured in the house. दुसरें जे बाब विदेशाचे security आसा, खास करून जे constituency issue आसा, pertaining to this also time should be given in this house. तिसरें जे 0R आनीक calling attention, oppositionाक time मेळपाक जाय, हेजेय चर्चा जाली. क्वेश्चन आवर जे 48 hours प्रायर जे दिवपाक जाय, हिंगा कितें जाता, समज एक टिकट क्वेश्चन येयलें जाल्यार ते मागीर ते दुसरे डिपार्टमेंटाक ट्रान्सफर कोताय आनी मागीर अनस्टार्ट करून उडयताय. हे इतली वर्सां ही प्रथा जाल्या. ऑनरेबल स्पीकर एज सेड असलें हें उचें ना. ऑपोजिशनाक टायम दितले. मुखेलमंत्रीके जरी तो डिमांड चोयल्यार मंडे 51 म्हणजे गोल्डन जुबली पास जालो तो हांगा मुखार गेला सारको. इतलो फास्ट जाला भुरगो. आनीक आतां मुकूट तेगेलो सिल्वरांतल्यान आतां गोल्डन जाला आनी गोल्डनांतल्यान तो आनी एक हे दिसांनी घोडे आनी एक डायमंड घालपाक सोदिता. हे दिसांनी घोडे जायत आनी एक पोर्टफोलियो घोडे टोक्को जायत. तो डायमंड घालपाक सोदिता मुकुटाचे सात सेंटराक. सो कोटो तुमकां तेका तुमी विचारय तें तुमकां कोटोलें. सो म्हाका दिसता की very very serious issues have to be tabled, have to be spoken. The bills what we put, we as opposition, म्हाका खात्री हा, we will coordinate within ourselves and make sure we show this government where they are failing. They have failed miserably. The corruption, whatever issues need to be taken together, we will take it.
आरजीपीचो प्रेसिडेंटान तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक टार्गेट केला, तरी आमी पळयता की तुमी अजुनी वांगडा आसा काय कशें कितें आसा?
चोय कितें आहा मरे, आमी डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी, आमगेली डेमोक्रेटीक, आमगे हुकुमशाही ना, आमगे हुकुमशाही ना. विदीन माय पार्टी I have been given, I can express my view. We are not the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, if someone speaks on me, I will speak back on that particular person. Now, I think our president belongs to the Congress party. He is working for the Congress party. Everyone knows how he is working for the Congress party. So, I think it's better that the party president clarifies on this particular issue.
But as a LOP आणि त्या पार्टीतल्यान तुम्ही निवडून इल्या म्हणून तुमकां एक तुमचो लीडर आसा की तुम्ही तांकां डिफेंड करचे.
प्रेसिडेंट तुमचे लीडर
हांव कितें मागीर आनी कितें definitely he is our party president, and our party president is capable enough to defend himself, but he's been defending the party for 4 years. So definitely, you see what Congress party is a party that has democratic values. Congress party is a party that has to take all the parties along. So Mode is the ultimate issue is that we have to take everyone along. We are the principal, one second, let me finish. We are the principal opposition party. If we are the parents, we have to take the children, we have to take the grandchildren together. We have to take them together with us. Sometimes even when you speak sometimes to your parents might not like it. But that the parent takes everyone along. It is our duty in the interest of Goa. Goa is our mother. We have to protect.
At least तू समजत तरी घालतो अशोक
कंडेम करता म्हणून तू कंडेम केला.
हां
प्रश्न don't put words in my mouth. Okay. What I am trying to say, तुम्ही opposition united मग जाय तुमकां हांव नाका. गोंयांत युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन जाय नाका.
ना या म्हणजे आमच्या प्रश्न ना सेम तुम्ही आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटा विचारप न्ही.
समजत घालपाचें
तें कितें उलयला आरजीपी प्रेसिडेंटाक कितें उलयला हांव कितें तें I will not put it out. My thing is we have a president who is working for the people of Goa. We have a president who is working for the Congress party. It is my role as leader of opposition or whatever if we have differences to make to sort it out. Ani lamche lam kon fight na. This is not going to take us anywhere. It is in the interest of Goa. We are Goans first. Let Goans unite first. Across party line.
बाय इलेक्शनाक अलायन्स दिसतलो तुमचो फोंडा बाय इलेक्शन
कालच्या दिसाक हांवें अपील केला. I have appealed and our desk in charge during our last meeting or the political affairs committee meeting requested me to make an appeal to all political parties in the opposition that we should fight together. It is my role here in the assembly And now he requested me, speak and make sure that unitedly we should go. So that is what I've been doing. And I made an open, yesterday as well, I made an open communication to all other political parties that we should single-handedly make sure that the BJP goes home. The BJP is the PIDA. BJP should go home. All of us are fighting maybe with each other, but I will tell you that at the end of it, Goans are watching. I am not the type of a person. मुझे जायताना हातोर मारपाचो प्रयत्न केला. I do not react like that. हांवें हें जायत चोयलां आनी हें सगळें जें एक म्हाका दिसता फॅक्च्युअली रियलिटी तुमकां दिसता की जेन्ना तुमी सांगता युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसतलें काय कितें सेशना होणें आनी जेन्ना सेशन मागीर at the end of it, I always make a comment that I thank all the political parties. I will not say this political party has done this, other political party has done this. We should, within the opposition, unite and unitedly fight this BJP. Other the BJP will take advantage of the situation.
Unibob, you asked CM who gave the order to lift
Vireshpur.
See, who gave the order means you don't think CM gave the order? So definitely, he is heading the ministry. He should take responsibility. The question doesn't arise of who gave the order. He is at the. That means without his orders, they can touch an MLA. Where is the question? I'm directly saying, without his orders, can you touch an MLA from there? Okay, you think the police have not informed the in charge or the department who's heading? We have said that action needs to be taken immediately, and he has to be terminated from the service.
police have done their duty on their boss's order.
So that you ask him, no.
So CM is responsible for manhandling of Viresh Borkar, you mean to say?
He heading the home department. Definitely, it comes on his responsibility, on his shoulders. Who heads the home department? Right?
So why the PI has to be terminated? Because he followed the order. No?
So that whether CM has to be terminated, PI has to be terminated, it is all together.
ट्रान्सफर केला आहे पिना तुम्ही ट्रान्सफर केला
किती रे ती ट्रान्सफर किती हे कदंबा बस ट्रान्सफर करपाक इशू ऐसा आसा की इट इज अ सीरियस ऑफेंस. सी within the press together you all are the fourth pillar of democracy. There will be a lot of elements, but maybe you all have differences, but you all are doing all this for the interest of Goa. You all are doing it for the interest of Goa. So someone manhandling a single press is an organization, you all condemn it, you all stick to it. So I think this is the same way. He is my colleague. If this was done even to a ruling MLA, I would have done the same thing. You need to condemn this. It is not in the interest of democracy. And why did he go there? He went there for defending his the rights of his constituents.
Thank you.